How is it? Let me see. Oh, here, I get it. How's the peach? It's juicy, right?
Yeah.
It's
juicy.
how's it taste? Is it bitter? Is it spicy? Or is it sweet?
Spicy.
It's spicy?
Yeah. No, it's spicy.
It's spicy? Okay, you eat it.
It's spicy, Dad. You can eat it.
Okay. Thanks for telling me. Who's out there? The bird?
It's in the walk right there.
Oh,
They're playing 2 birds there.
2 birds? Hi, birds.
You can eat these birds.
I could eat that one?
They're not spicy.
Oh, really?
Eat
Yeah,
them.
let me wipe this
Eat
here.
them, Dad.
Okay. That's good.
Pit.
Yeah, the pit's in there.
You pit.
Huh?
You the pit.
Me eat the pit? I don't eat the pit.
No, there's a pit. There's a pit.
There's a pit?
Where can I eat?
You can
Right
eat
here.
right there. It's good.
New vitamin.
New vitamins. You want a vitamin? Eat the peach and I'll give you a vitamin.
That's I was right there.
Just lick your fingers. No more? That's it? Okay.